Brian's A40 here. It's 17th of April. Just jumped down in here. Got me some followers up here. I think I just walked up on something spectacular. Oh, this thing looks great. Oh no, is it broke? No, it is all there. Look at that. Oh, yes. Yes. I can never call this side of the bridge bad ever again, especially after finding that axe. Look at that. Oh my goodness. If that ain't freaking cool. Alright, only been down here not very long, maybe half hour. I'll get a little while longer. Hopefully I'll find something else. Get it on film. Later, guys.